Number 4, it's an absolute value. It's facing up. So it's going to be y equals. Now, I do have to pay attention on absolute values. I want you to pay attention to the slope. It appears to go up 2 units over 1 unit. So it has a slope of 2. So I'll put that first. X, it slid over to -2 right here, went over that way, then up is what the parent graph did. So it went over to -2, so we write +2. Remember, with the X, inside with the X, it's always the opposite of what you would think. Since it went over to -2, we put +2. Then it went up to a height of 2. Okay, and that does stay normal, the outside, how it slides up and down, the vertical movement. Number 5, it's a parabola. So y equals, it's a downwards facing parabola. So we're going to put negative out front. X, it slid over to what? -3. So we put +3. In a sense, it's a parabola. We put our squaring. And then it slid down to -2. Number 6, downwards facing absolute value. So it's going to be y equals, downwards facing. I put negative. I do need to put the slope. So it appears to go up 1 over 2. So it's going to be a half. Now I do my absolute value symbols. X, it slid over to right here. Went over to -4, so we put +4. And then up to a height of 4. So we put +4. Remember, movement left and right, it's going to be inside the parentheses or the absolute value or the square root. And that's always going to be the opposite of what you think. And then movement up and down vertical is going to be outside of those things, and it's going to be exactly how far it did move. Like here, it went up to a height of 4, so we have +4. Here, it went down to a height of -2, so we have -2, and so forth.